Welcome to the channel again, and this is very nice to see you again. Today we got a Bang Olufsen 4000 active loudspeaker, and yes, today we're gonna deassemble it. And the speaker is from '97 and is designed by David Lewis, and this one is the black version. And Bang Olufsen have produced 6 different colors for the Beolab 4000: silver, blue, red, green and gold. And it is coming in a beautiful aluminium case. It weighs around 6 kilos. There's 2 drivers inside, one woofer and one tweeter. The connections are pretty basic. There's 2 power link inputs and one phoner and one cord input to power the speakers up. And you can also choose to switch the speakers in different modes from left and right and phono. There's the line. The sound pressure level can be up to 97 decibels, and per amplifier power output can produce 59 watts. Yes, this was the introduction of the speaker, so let's go ahead. First step is to remove the front cover. It's pretty easy. Just lift up here and give it a little bit tap, or lift from here. Wiggle it. Here we go. And the front grill is off. As you can see here, there's the woofer and the tweeter. Let's remove that also. So I'm gonna speed up this process. After we removed the screws from the woofer and tweeter, then we can lift the speakers up by using a flat screwdriver. Pretty easy. Just find a space where you can put the your flat screwdriver in and lift, and pull the black wire, and the red wire has a locking mechanism. Just press and that's it. The same goes for the tweeter. Press for the purple, and the white wire, just pull. That's it. Put that aside also. And that's it. Next step is to remove the front aluminum cover. I will also speed up this process. So we have removed the 3 screws that are holding the front aluminum cover. To remove it, just put it up and press it right here, and it will be released. And the front aluminum cover is removed. The next step is to remove the front plastic. Also at the front you can see the serial number and the type number of your Beolab 4000. This is the right version. There's 2 types of versions when you purchased a Beolab, left and right. So let's continue with removing the screws from the front plastic cover. So we have unscrewed all the screws from the plastic cover, and now we can gently lift it up. Here we go. And put that aside. So now we have removed the front plastic cover, and now we have access to the output amplifier with the crossover transformer and the main switches. As you can see here, there's a lot of bad foam inside the Beolab 4000, especially the Mark 1 version. Bang Olufsen have used a very different kind of material to use the damping inside the Beolab 4000, and this damping material harms and damaged the power amplifier module. So if you have a Beolab 4000 Mark version 1 and it's in full working condition, I will highly suggest you to open your Beolab 4000 and removing the bad foam out. If you don't do it, you will harm and damage your Beolab 4000 and it will not be in working condition again. So just do it before your Beolab 4000 get damaged. So I will show you how to remove the bad foaming. To do that, just take your vacuum cleaner and vacuum all the mess up. Don't touch it, otherwise your hands will get very, very sticky and dirty. And you can also use some anti-static gloves and check it out. So now we're gonna take our vacuum cleaner. So we vacuum clean most of the bad foaming material inside the Beolab 4000. As you can see here, especially on this side, and sometimes the foam materials drop down at this side. But in this case, the materials have drop here, and when the power amplifier heats up, the materials melt into the transistors on the amplifier board and damage. So we need to actually to remove take all the power amplifier out and clean it. I will not show the cleaning process in this episode, so I think I will make a special video where I'm showing how to clean the power amplifier board. So the next step is to remove the power amplifier board, the main switch, and also the transformer board. So let's start with removing the power amplifier board. So we have unscrewed all the screws from the power amplifier module. After we have unscrewed all the screws from the power amplifier module, we can just lift it up. And don't lift it up 100%. Loosen the wires connections down here. And take this one off. And there's one ground connection. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's here. Just pull. And now you will be able to lift it up. Here. As you can see, the power amplifier module is not being fully released now. It's still connected by the cooling pad to the aluminium case to cool down the board down. So next step is to remove the plastic cover, this big plastic cover. So after unscrew all the screws from the plastic cover, you can just lift it up and remove it. And also take it out from here. This plastic part is connected from the power to the main switchboard. Also put that aside. Now we can unscrew the cooling pad. So now we have released and unscrewed the screws from the cooling pad. Just wiggle it and it's released. There can be some cooling paste on the surface. Just clean it up and you can put some new in. And also put that aside. So the next step is to removing the transformer. Take that out before we pull the main switch out. So let's do that. So after you have removed the 4 screws that are holding the transformer, you can pull it up. And sometimes you got lucky to remove it. There we go. That's the transformer for the Beolab 4000. The next step is to remove the main switch. To do that, there's only 1 screw that are holding the main switch here. Actually 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna remove that. Now we have unscrewed all the 3 screws. Now we can gently pull it up like that, and that's the main switchboard for the Beolab 4000. Now we can clean the rest of the bad material off. So we have finally removing all the bad material. All the parts is out right now. If you have accomplished this step, you can actually put all the PCB boards back in again and some new foam inside your Beolab 4000, and your Beolab 4000 will be working in many years more. So this episode was to how to remove all the parts from the Beolab 4000. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Have a nice day.